What's up, everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing Blue's Yeti microphone. There is absolutely no doubt about the fact that it is one of the best microphones for podcasts, YouTube videos, and whatnot. And that is exactly the reason I bought it. Let's check it out. The MRP of the mic is 12,995 and I bought it for 10,995 from Amazon. If you wish to buy the product, the link is in the description below. I have bought the blackout version, which is completely black and comes in a matte black finish. The content of the boxes are only 3 items: the microphone itself, a micro USB cable, and some paperwork. I hope you like the video. For more future videos, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.